What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to try something a little different. I've been testing out an AI platform that claims it can help you create professional advertisements, videos, product images and a whole lot more, without needing a whole production team. So today, we're going to put Nextify.AI to the test and see what it can actually do, whether it's worth using, and most importantly, whether the results are actually good. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Nextify.AI? Nextify.AI is an AI-powered advertising and content creation platform designed to make it easier to create professional marketing content. You can use it to generate things like AI advertising videos, product images, AI presenters and avatars, voiceovers, scripts, and different creative scenes for your products. Basically, instead of having to film everything yourself, hire actors, record voiceovers, or spend hours creating advertising visuals, Nextify.AI uses AI to help you create these things much faster. And today, I'm going to take you inside the platform, test some of these features myself, and show you exactly what you can create with it. There are many interesting tools on this website. I don't know which one to choose. So, here I'm using my mobile phone. Actually, I don't have a PC, so if the screen is small please forgive me for that. But, firstly I'd love to thank Nextify for this opportunity. Now let's try something interesting, like creating an actual advertisement. So, since I don't know what to write on the prompt, so I'll just let the AI think for me. Now, I'm going to use an image of an ice cream on a bowl, with a spoon and see if Nextify can turn it into a complete promotional video. Now I've uploaded the image, so AI will work on the prompt. What I like about this AI is that it works fast, and it is faster to respond. The prompt is ready and now it's time to generate the ad. So, this is probably one of the features I'm most interested in because creating a professional advertisement normally requires quite a lot of work. We've created the ad, so, now we will be waiting for 4 minutes to finish the load up. So let's see what AI comes up with. By the way, if you want to try Nextify.AI yourself, new users actually get 20 credits after registering. And you can receive another 20 credits after starting your first generation task. So you can actually test out the platform and see how it works before deciding whether you want to use it further. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out. I think the platform is particularly interesting for people who want to create advertising content without having to handle every part of the production process themselves. There are quite a few different AI tools in one place, from presenters and avatars to product images, voiceovers and advertising videos. Of course, the results can depend on what you're trying to create and the prompts or materials you provide, so I'd recommend experimenting with different options. But overall, I think it's definitely worth checking out if you're interested in AI-powered content creation and advertising. And the load up it's done and the video it's ready. Let's see the final results guys. Okay, so this is a 4 seconds video. Okay guys, so, this is the end of the video. We all saw the results and they are amazing. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave my Nextify.AI affiliate link in the description. And don't forget, new users can get 20 credits after registration and another 20 credits after starting their first generation task. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about the AI generated results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.